Hi guys and welcome to exercise 6 wiring 2 light bulbs and 1 fan using 2-gang switch. The objective is to control the lights by using one button and the other button to control the fan. So, for example, when I press this button, the two lights would turn on only, and if I press this button, the fan only would turn on. The required materials are shown, so let's move to procedures. Since we need the two lights to work together, so we have to make a loop between the two holders. Of course, we start with phase wire or live wire. Because we want the fan to work separately, so we don't have to loop it with holders. Instead, we connect a phase wire to the L terminal directly. And also from the holders, we connect a phase wire to the other L terminal. Now we jump to neutral wire, and as we've discussed previously that you could make loops between all elements whether they work together or separately. I mean for neutral wire, okay? Be careful. For neutral wire you can make loops whether they work together or separately. Okay, finally connect the earth wire to the main supply. After that make a loop between the COM terminals, then connect it to the main supply. Well, this was everything for this exercise. I will see you in the next lecture. Of course, if you have any question, you can contact me. Thank you.